and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how you can use your profile picture in order to express your brand's identity in the best way possible. So as you can see, we have our own Instagram account here, and you can see that right here we have our profile picture. It is an appropriately sized image of our logo. And this is something that we're going to observe in terms of other influencer accounts as well. So let's just say that if we want to look out for Semrush and we want to see what kind of profile they're leading, we can just go to them profile and observe. So that's another thing that we're seeing. You don't have to place your text in your profile picture as well, because this is a part of your logo. And if you're on Instagram, your username is displayed right beside your picture. So, well, the views can be different in terms of desktop and mobile view, but usually this is how it is. Your profile picture is displayed right beside your username. So even if you don't include your username or your company's name or your brand's name in your profile picture, it'll be okay, because it's going to look like an appealing element. It's going to add more authenticity to your brand because it's a symbol of your brand's identity and it's going to represent it in every way possible. So a repetition of text is just going to look kind of unappealing. It's going to psychologically leave an impact that you're trying really hard in order to get your audience's attention. So you need to do this right. And these are some of the smallest things can really drive people away from you. So you need to be careful about this. So let's take a check. What does their profile picture represent? It is their logo, and it is appropriately sized. It isn't going outside the circle. It stays within the circle, and anyone who visits their profile can see it really well. Now, if your brand's identity consists of a personal profile, or if you're a person representing your brand, what you would be doing is you'll be putting a picture of your face here, an appropriately sized picture. It depends on you what kind of message you want to represent through your profile picture, because obviously it should be something that represents your brand in the best way possible, that represents your brand's core values in the best way possible. So you should go for something that's appropriately sized and is an actual representation of your business. So these are some of the most basic tips you can use in order to choose a profile picture for your business or brand account. So go ahead and use it for yourself.